There's the start. I knew they'd get ahead of us. Wait till they come out. We got to get a few more of those. Bearberry. Look, there it is when it's from the winter. Here's the new. And the flowers of it are so tiny and dainty and beautiful. Ah! Here's one. Look. Do you see what I mean by a little Grecian urn? Isn't that like a little urn? You see the perfect shape of it? Oh, I'm so lucky to see that. They're so pale, they're almost iridescent. That delicate little whitish. And the pink tips. I think it's superb. It's like the tiniest little Greek urn you've ever seen. But isn't he beautiful? See if he walks over and takes a little drink. Look. Yarrow. Wild carrot. Gives you the most beautiful hair rinse you ever had in your life. You boil it up, and after you've shampooed your hair, you rinsed it thoroughly with that, and oh, it smells good, it feels good, and your hair feels like a brand new. Oh, look at these. Look. That was lovely. Well, that's wild strawberry. I've never tasted anything as good as a wild strawberry. Somewhere there, little. Do you see the? There, look. Do you see those little cups right there? Little goblets, and they're a fungus, or they are fungi, and they will make. Oh, look! See this perfect little guy here. They will make spores, little powder that will fly out and create more. There, look!